Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can log out of your Twitch account on your mobile device. This is going to be a short video, so let's get straight into the video without any further ado. If you are logged into your application, you should see a similar interface. Now the first thing you can do is head over to the profile located on the top left. From there, you can tap on account settings. As soon as you do that, you should be able to see a bunch of settings that you can manage for Twitch. Along with the settings, on the bottom of the screen, you can see an option for logout. Simply tap on logout. Again, tap on logout. And that's it, you have been logged out of your Twitch account on your mobile. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.